In the admin area, you can add an admin for the whole project, for a specific website or a funnel that you have inside that project as well. So by clicking on add an admin, you can see that you can add different access. By default, it will be selected to give access to the whole project. So they'll get access to all the websites and funnels, if you have multiple, inside this specific project, to add an admin, a contributor, or maybe if you're building for somebody else, a customer to their website or project. So you can give them different access levels by selecting them here, what you want to give them access to, and invite them via email. So they will receive an email from you about the invitation. They will have a link to click and to create an account if you don't have already, or to log in if they already have an account to get access to the project itself. Now, if you want to invite a user to a specific website or a funnel, like in our case where we've created in this project 2 funnels and a website, you can select by clicking on change, you can select to which funnel or a website you want to give access. And by again clicking on the change, you'll be able to select to which funnel or website, what kind of admins you have. By default, you see yourself here as an admin, as an owner for the whole project. And again, you can change the ownership by clicking on the 3 dots of an admin and make them an owner instead. So this is how easy it is to add an admin to the website, to a funnel, to a whole project, and give them different access levels and invite them via email. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just let us know.